Hi, I'm Sam from Samsung Digital Appliances, and right now we're going to talk about the #1 Boxing Day SKU for you, and it's the WF330 washer and the DV330 dryer. This is going to be your go-to laundry piece for Boxing Day as well as the rest of Boxing Week, okay? So pretty much where I'm standing is going to be your home base. So, we're going to get right into the first feature on the WF330 washer, okay? And that's VRT, Vibration Reduction Technology, okay? So what vibration reduction technology actually is, there's two plastic hoops. One in the front of the drum and one in the back of the drum, okay? Think of them as two hula hoops that are hollow in the middle. And inside each hula hoop are 18 stainless steel ball bearings. So that totals 36 with both hoops containing 18 ball bearings. And what those stainless steel ball bearings do is counteract the unbalanced load, okay? And just to take a quick step back, the reason why washing machines shake and vibrate so much is because of the unbalanced load inside the drum. And so VRT actually solves this issue and smoothens out the spin cycle of the washing machine. And so right now we're going to teach you what's called the spin test, the spin demonstration. And this is the demonstration that you're going to be performing for your customers on Boxing Day as well as the rest of Boxing Week. So before we start a spin demonstration, it should be already prepared for you. The shipping bolts will be removed and it will be powered on, okay? We need to put something inside the drum in order to demonstrate that the VRT will be able to counterbalance an unbalanced load. If you don't have anything in there, you're not stressing out the washing machine and you're not really testing out the machine at all. So let's get a queen size comforter. This washing machine is 4.3 cubic foot capacity, which allows you to fit a queen size comforter or 17 pairs of jeans. We shut it, okay? And this is what we gotta do. Pay attention, because you'll be doing this all week long. You need to push the soil and signal button together and at the same time push the power. So all three buttons you need to push together, okay? So one more time. The soil and signal button and power at the same time, okay? It's sometimes easier to push and hold down the soil and signal first and then power like I did. So you're gonna see the panel light up, and now the next step, step 2, is to turn the jog dial counterclockwise until you see spin, okay? And then it's simple. Step 3 is push start. You're gonna hear the door lock, and already the drum is gonna start to spin, okay? And it will spin from 0 all the way to 1150 RPM, its top speed, okay? And you're gonna see right now, there's a little bit of shaking going on. That's entirely normal, okay? Because what's happening right now is it's starting to smoothen out. What's happening is those ball bearings are trying to find its place within the hula hoop to counterbalance the unbalanced load inside. So you're gonna find that it's gonna shake just a little bit. So let your customers know that. Well, as you can see, it's shaking a little bit, and let them know that the VRT system is calibrating, and as it spins at a higher RPM, it's gonna smoothen right out. So we're gonna wait till it actually gets to its top speed now. You'll know that it gets to its top speed here just by the little spin meter. You'll see no spin, low, medium, and high, and right now it's at its top speed, okay? So what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna try to balance a pen on top of the machine while it's spinning at its top speed. And there you have it, right there, okay? A great demonstration, and it's one that you'll be using all Boxing Day as well as the entire Boxing Week, okay? So the second feature we're going to talk to you right now about the WF330 washer is a feature called Diamond Drum, okay? When we take a look inside the drum, you can see a unique texture, okay? So that's called diamond drum because of the texture and the shine that the drum has. So you can see what I'm gonna run my hand through the drum and feel how smooth that is. So this is what you're gonna wanna do for customers to show off Diamond Drum. Get the customer to put their hand inside to see how smooth that is. Now, when you looked closely there, you can see the water exit holes are very, very small. They're actually 36% smaller than a conventional drum, okay? And so what that does, the benefit to the customer, is that your clothes won't actually snag in those water exit holes, okay? And that's what creates damage on our clothing, okay? These washing machines spin so fast that a lot of times the force created, the fabrics and towels and will actually get pushed in, and the fabric will actually get snagged in those water holes. So this smooth texture allows you know, your delicate clothing not to get damaged, and none of your fabrics will get pulled or snagged into the water exit holes. It's a premium feature. It's available on only select washers and dryers from Samsung, and it's going to be feature number 2 for you. Alright, now we're going to talk about feature number 3 on the WF330 washer, and that feature is called Pure Cycle. Now, with front load laundry, a lot of customers have complained that there's an actual odor coming from the washing machine after you've used it a number of times, okay? So Pure Cycle is a solution for that problem, okay? So first let me tell you how that odor occurs. With front load laundry, a lot of times the residual soap, as well as mixed along with the soil, creates bacteria. And because there's an airtight seal and the water is left remaining at the bottom of the drum as well as caught in the gasket here, that's an environment where bacteria can thrive. And so a lot of times after a number of washes, your washing machine here, your front load washing machine, will actually smell. It'll be a musty odor, okay? So what Pure Cycle is a chemical-free way to get rid of that odor, okay? Samsung's developed it, and how it works is it uses the water heater inside, hot water with a high spin speed to flush out that bacteria, okay? The alternative is customers can use chemicals like bleach or cleaning tablets, which are very, very strong and harmful for the environment. So the Pure Cycle, once again, is a chemical-free way to get rid of that musty odor. It runs about an hour and a half, okay? It's this button right here. It runs about an hour and a half using hot water and high spin speeds to flush out that bacteria and get rid of that musty odor for your customers. Okay, so as I've mentioned before, standing right here in front of the WF330 washer and DV330 dryer, it's going to be your home base for you for much of Boxing Day and Boxing Week. So like I said, it's going to be your go-to piece. You're actually going to notice on Boxing Day in particular, customers lining up to purchase this laundry pair, okay? Now there may be times, probably not Boxing Day, but maybe throughout the rest of the week where you won't have customers in front of you asking about the product. The sales associates are going to be very busy throughout the day, keying in other sales and helping out other customers on other products. So that's why your job is going to be to inform customers on the product and pass off the sales then to the associates. But if by chance there aren't any customers around you near the 330 washer dryer, and you happen to notice customers maybe perhaps in the fridge section, feel free then to walk on over and help out customers in the fridge section as well, okay? And this is where we're going to now talk about a couple of the Boxing Day week specials on our fridges.